This is the Pixel 3a. It's one of Google's more affordable Android devices, and ever since I got my hands on it, it's been my daily driver for most of 2020. It comes with all the necessary stuff to make your smartphone experience worthwhile. It's got stock Android, a Qualcomm Snapdragon 670 chipset, and a killer camera. In fact, we even did a video on this phone a few months ago and we talked about its features, its performance, and whether or not it was worth the $399 price tag. So we also talked about its camera, and while we did show some camera samples, I somehow felt that those few shots weren't really enough to highlight the Pixel 3a's awesome imaging hardware and software. So here we are. I compiled a bunch of shots from a trip to Ireland that my wife and I took earlier this year. The Pixel 3a's camera is pretty awesome, and I hope that this travel video can show that. Before we get to the video, I just want to say that we are currently pushing for 1,000 subs. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing as it helps the channel a whole lot. Now to answer any questions, these shots were taken way before the global outbreak and the lockdown. So rest assured that we are staying at home at this very moment, staying indoors and washing our hands. So without further ado, here's the video and I hope that you guys enjoy.